Very good morning, children. I hope that you all are safe and sound at home. So, children, without wasting any time, let's move on to today's topic from your grammar book. The words a, and the are called articles. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they do not refer to any specific person or thing. The article the is called the definite article because it refers to a specific person or thing. Now let's know the things in detail. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Take this example. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. If I say, after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good, which means by using the article a over here in the sentence, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. So, the article a is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. For example, a cat, a dog. As we can see, both the nouns cat and dog start with a consonant sound. That's why we have used the article a. Now if we talk about article n, the article n is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange. So here we can see both the nouns start with a vowel sound. That's why we have used the article an over here. An apple, an orange. So a and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. Here, this refers to any dog. We don't know which dog because we haven't found the dog yet. And if I say somebody call a policeman, so here this refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who is available. And when I say, when I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here we are talking about a single non-specific thing. In this case, an elephant. There are probably, several elephants at the zoo, but there's only one we are talking about here. Remember, using a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word. So, a plus singular noun beginning with a consonant like a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel, it's like an elephant, an egg, an apple, an idiot, an orphan. Okay. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a user. Here it sounds like user, u. Okay, that begins with the consonant y sound. So a is used here. In the similar way, we can say a university, a unicycle also. Then an plus noun starting with silent h. Just example, an r. Okay, we know that h is silent, so an r. A plus nouns starting with a pronounced h. For example, if I say horse, it will be a horse then. Okay. Now let's learn when to use a or an. A or an are used with singular countable nouns when the noun is non-specific or generic, which means general. For example, see, I do not own a car. In this sentence, car is a singular countable noun that is not specific. It could be any car. Now here in the second one, if I say she would like to go to a university that specializes in teaching. University is a singular countable noun here. Although it begins with a vowel, the first sound of the word is y. Thus we can say a instead of an is used here. Okay. In this sentence, it is also generic, means it could be any university with this specialization, not a specific one. Now in the next one, I would like to eat an apple. In this sentence, apple is a singular countable noun that is not specific. It could be any apple. So as we know that a is used when the noun that follows, begins with a consonant sound, like a book, a pen, a uniform. Over here we can see uniform starts with a vowel, but the first sound is U, Y sound. Therefore a instead of an is used here. Okay, now next, an is used when the noun that follows begins with a vowel sound. For example, an elephant, an American, an MBA. Here you can see MBA starts with a consonant, but the first sound is A, or we can say short E sound. Therefore, N instead of A is used here. Sometimes A or N can be used for first mention, which means when the first time the noun is mentioned. Then in subsequent sentences, the article the is used instead. Just see the example. He would like to live in a large house. The house should have at least 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So here in the first sentence, a is used because it is referring to a non-specified house, means first mention here, okay? In the second sentence, the is used because now the house has been specified. Children, I expect that now the indefinite articles a and an must be clear to you all. In the next video, we'll know about the definite article, which is the. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you all for watching.